Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M21. It comes in black, blue and iceberg blue colors. It comes in two variants, 4GB RAM plus 64GB memory and 6GB RAM plus 128GB memory. The internal memory is expandable up to 512GB. This is dual SIM phone. It is 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity U-Cut display, Full HD Plus resolution 2340 by 1080, 404 ppi pixel density and 16 million color support. Secure your phone instantly with fast face unlock and fingerprint scanner. It has triple camera setup at rear, 48 megapixel f1.8 main camera plus 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera plus 5 megapixel f2.2 depth camera and 20 megapixel f2.2 front-facing punch-hole camera. It is powered by Android 10.0 operating system with Exynos 9611 2.3 GHz 1.7 GHz octa-core processor. It is equipped with 6000 mAh battery. The box includes handset, non-removable battery included, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin, user manual. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI,
the Samsung Galaxy A51 comes with 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display and FHD Plus capacitive multi-touch touchscreen with 16mm color support. This phone comes in three color variants, white, black and blue. The phone comes with a 6GB RAM that allows for easy multitasking. It also features 128GB internal memory which is expandable up to 512GB to store all your pictures, videos and movies. This smartphone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Samsung Galaxy A51 comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD AMOLED Infinity O display that lets you watch videos without distractions. The phone has a 48MP plus 12MP plus 5MP plus 5MP quad rear camera with ultra-wide field of vision. It also features a 32MP front-facing punch-hole camera. The phone runs on Android operating system version 10. The Exynos 9611 octa-core processor provides smooth and efficient performance. This phone is powered by a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery with 15-watt fast charging technology. The box includes handset, earphones, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin and user manual. The Samsung Galaxy A51 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.